The COVID-19 pandemic has changed everything. The lifestyle, the opinion about life, the thinking and the planning of the future. It has changed the way we work, learn and interact and has led to a more virtual existence both personally and professionally. And education is no exception. While e-learning was globally adapted, conventional schooling came to a halt, due to which the practical learning and implementation of knowledge were nearly negligible. The pandemic widened pre-existing opportunity and achievement gaps. To narrow this gap, TDPVista has been working regularly for the development and growth of the Indian education system and encouraging practical implementation among students from the past 2 years. TDPVista is an ecosystem that connects the chain of mentors, mentees and industries, providing you everything you need from learning to earning. TDPVista is an e-hub where learning and training goes hand in hand. TDPVista is working on an objective to build quick, reliable and efficient platforms which provide mentorship, practical knowledge and opportunities to learn and grow in diversified fields and build a learning place connecting knowledge and success. TDPVista is growing with each passing day and fulfilling its aim by conducting necessary training sessions, workshops and placement drives. With the constant support of the mentor team of TDPVista, we have successfully trained more than 2,500 students who now excel in their respective streams. You might be wondering, why am I telling you all this? So, hi, I'm Divyanshu Pateria, founder and CEO of TDPVista, here with a new vision to build experienced heads and uplifting development in India. TDPVista is already working to bring change in the education sector. To aid this change, TDPVista is introducing TDX-Cell, a golden initiative for institutes to be a part of TDPVista and establish professional work culture and practical learning environment in their institutes. TDX-Cell, Training and Development Execution Cell, is a platform for young students to upskill and develop leadership potential, in-demand skills, self-confidence, and self-learning capabilities. It is the place where one can gain corporate experience while boosting their career prospects. To bring our vision to life, to make every institute as the hotspot of practical implementation, TDPVista is establishing college chapters of TDX-Cell in the form of student-driven clubs, where students will connect and engage with students of all backgrounds to transform their thinking and promote work culture while taking the institutes to greater heights. The main motive of this model is to deliver students with exceptional training and learning sessions and to make them wiser and corporate ready by providing them in-hand experience of corporate culture. Training and Development Execution Cell is built with an objective to create experienced youth, which in turn will result in great progress and development of not only students but also institutes and our country. The motive of implementing this cell is to provide an environment to youth where they can gain professional experience and create rigid base of practice by practical implementation and provide opportunities to build a rich network while enhancing leadership skills. To gain the best productivity and implement every work with efficiency, we have divided the model into different departments, which will help students to understand their responsibilities and roles better in their respective streams, mentioned as software development, web development, app development, graphic designing, video editing, 3D modeling and animation, marketing, management, human resource, corporate and relations, media management, public relations, research and development, business development and content creation. Moving on, how TDX-Cell works. TDX-Cell will be licensed to a faculty coordinator from the associated institute. The faculty coordinator will only be the main in charge of the cell for his institute and will take all the decisions related to the team or work with TDPVista officials. There will be a managing team responsible for finalizing the task and manage deadlines. The entire team will be divided into different departments that will look for their respective departmental duties and tasks and report to managing heads. There will be different coordinators for different departments, and for each department there will be a head of the department under whom the team will work. The head of the department has to report the work to the head coordinator or the vice president, and the overall functioning of the club will be overlooked by the president. To be a part of TDX-Cell and start the college chapter of your institute, you need to follow a very simple procedure. Visit tdx-cell.tdpvista.com/register and file your institutional details. Register the institute under a faculty coordinator's name and choose an available club name. TDPVista team will then connect you back for MOU signing and complete the final registration process. We will now help you out to complete the recruitment process for your institute's TDX-Cell, and now you are all set and ready to work with TDPVista. Connecting with us means imparting professional skills, getting an all-time support in form of supervision and professional mentorship, and connecting to a team who is always ready to support learning. TDPVista believes in appreciating achievements with letter of appreciation, letter of experience, letter of recommendation, and many appreciation certificates to the TDX-Cell members and the participating candidates. Be a part and build a team of experienced students who are perfectly ready and fit to represent your institute at professional level.